Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is we have this square and there is a quarter circle inside the square and the length of this red line is 4. How to calculate this yellow area? How can we solve this? From here to here this length is A and the radius of this quarter circle is r, then this length will be also r. The required yellow area will be equal to a into r. But how can we calculate ar? First we extend this circle and then extend these two lines. Let this length is b. From here to here this length is b, then this length will be also b. This is the radius of this quarter circle and this length will be r minus a. We can write a square plus b square equal to 4 square by Pythagoras theorem from this triangle, and by intersecting chords theorem we can write a into 2r minus a equal to b square. Now simplify this, so 2ar minus a square equal to b square and 2ar equal to a square plus b square, and a square plus b square is 4 square, so 2ar equal to 16 and ar equal to 8 centimeter square. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.